Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking Tesla Cybertruck 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison features. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison is a powerhouse of innovation, strength, and capability, built for those who refuse to settle for anything less than the best. This truck embodies the perfect combination of rugged durability and modern sophistication, making it the ultimate choice for off-road enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. With a bold design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance, the Silverado ZR2 Bison is ready to dominate any terrain, from rocky mountain trails to open highways. Every inch of this truck has been meticulously crafted to withstand the toughest conditions while maintaining a refined and stylish presence. The exterior features an aggressive blacked-out grille, signature LED lighting, and high-clearance fender flares that enhance both form and function. Special Bison badging sets it apart, giving it a distinct identity that commands attention wherever it goes. Equipped with massive all-terrain tires, reinforced steel bumpers, and full underbody skid plates, the Silverado ZR2 Bison is engineered to handle the most extreme adventures with confidence. Under the hood, the Silverado ZR2 Bison is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers relentless power and torque. Whether towing heavy loads or navigating treacherous trails, this truck provides an unbeatable driving experience. The advanced Multimatic DSSV dampers, a hallmark of Chevrolet's off-road engineering, offer a smooth ride even in the harshest conditions. With enhanced suspension travel and precision-tuned handling, this truck conquers obstacles effortlessly while ensuring maximum comfort for the driver and passengers. Step inside the Silverado ZR2 Bison, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends rugged durability with modern luxury. Premium leather-trimmed seats, soft touch materials, and a driver-centric layout create an environment that is both practical and sophisticated. A massive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keeps you connected on the go. The state-of-the-art Bose sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into an immersive experience. Advanced climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting add to the premium feel, making this truck as comfortable as it is capable. Safety and technology take center stage in the Silverado ZR2 Bison. With an array of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, you can drive with confidence no matter where the road takes you. The truck's reinforced frame and high-strength materials provide exceptional crash protection, ensuring maximum safety for you and your passengers. Whether tackling tough trails or navigating city streets, this truck is equipped with the latest innovations to keep you secure. Off-road dominance is at the core of the Silverado ZR2 Bison's DNA. Featuring front and rear electronic locking differentials, an advanced terrain management system, and an optimized approach and departure angle, this truck is built to handle any challenge. Rock crawling, water crossings, and steep inclines are no match for its superior engineering. The Bison package, developed in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, includes exclusive off-road enhancements such as heavy-duty skid plates, rock sliders, and a winch-ready front bumper, ensuring that nothing stands in your way. The Silverado ZR2 Bison isn't just about raw power, it's also about intelligent capability. Its high towing and payload capacity make it a reliable workhorse, perfect for hauling equipment, trailers, or recreational gear. The integrated trailer brake controller, tow-haul mode, and advanced stability systems provide seamless towing performance, making even the heaviest loads feel effortless. Whether heading to a job site or embarking on a weekend adventure, this truck is built to handle it all with ease. Fuel efficiency meets power in the Silverado ZR2 Bison. Its advanced engine technology optimizes fuel consumption while delivering uncompromised performance. The dynamic fuel management system adjusts power delivery based on driving conditions, ensuring the perfect balance between efficiency and strength. With an extended range fuel tank, you can go further without worrying about refueling, making long road trips and remote expeditions more convenient than ever. Designed for those who live life without limits, the Silverado ZR2 Bison embodies the spirit of adventure and innovation. Its bold stance, high-tech features, and unstoppable capability make it the ultimate truck for those who demand more from their vehicle. Whether forging new paths off-road or cruising through the city with style, this truck delivers an experience unlike any other. From its rugged exterior to its luxurious interior, from its powerful engine to its cutting-edge technology, the Silverado ZR2 Bison is more than just a truck, it's a statement. It represents strength, resilience, and a passion for pushing boundaries. No matter the destination, no matter the challenge, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison is ready to take you there. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.